How to calm an overactive mind and reclaim your mental space. Step 1. Shift from thinking to feeling. Overthinking is not thinking, it is avoidance. When your mind is overreactive, it is often avoiding deeper emotions like fear, sadness, or uncertainty. The key to breaking free: stop analyzing and start feeling. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Really feeling? Instead of fighting your emotions, let them surface and pass. And name them. I feel anxious. I feel uncertain. I feel tired. Why this technique works? Your brain doesn't need more thoughts, it needs emotional processing. Once you acknowledge your feelings, the need to overthink diminishes. Step 2. Rewire your brain for safety. Overthinking is a trauma response. Your brain is searching for safety in overanalysis, but real safety is found in calming your nervous system. Try these brain hacks to shift from stress to safety. 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. This instantly calms the nervous system and reduces anxiety. Sound therapy. Certain frequencies, like 432 Hz, can slow down racing thoughts and activate relaxation. So listen to that music. And grounding. Run cold water over your hands or hold an object with texture to pull yourself out of the mental spiral. In this way, you reprogram your brain for calm, not chaos. Step 3. Get out of your head and into your body. Overthinking happens in the mind. The solution: engage the body. Shake therapy. Literally shake your body for 60 seconds. This resets your nervous system and stops overthinking in its tracks. Stretching and movement. This helps release tension stored in the body from mental stress. And my favorite, walk barefoot. Grounding, like walking barefoot on grass or soil, calms the nervous system and interrupts the overthinking loop. Move your body, and your mind will follow. And that brings us to the last step, step 4: breaking the overthinking loop. Overthinking is a habit, which means you can break it. Try these pattern interrupters to stop the cycle. Journaling. Write down your thoughts as they are, no filtering, no fixing, nothing. Once they're on paper, your brain no longer needs to keep them on repeat. The 5 minutes rule. If you're overthinking a problem, set a timer for 5 minutes. Problem solve within that time, then let it go. Ask, is this thought helping me or harming me? Because if it's harming you, choose to drop it. Remember, you are not your thoughts, you are the observer of them. Your mind is powerful and you deserve mental freedom. You don't have to analyze every decision. You don't have to carry the weight of what ifs. You don't have to stay trapped in overthinking. The goal is not to silence your mind, is to train it to work for you, not against you. And remember, you are not your thoughts, you are the observer of them. May you be at peace. May you be loved. May you be loved.